पहले अब करने वाले हैं काफ़ी अमेजिंग मेंटोर्स और टीम को सेलिब्रेट। अभी इनवाइट सबसे पहले वी हैव आयुष. Ayush Burman has been a core part of the team, and he's been one of the most amazing people. He's actually converted more than 100 times his age in terms of the number of people into the top B school. So I think want to say to all the people you have trained this year and so many years in the past getting to the B school this year?
So it has been 4 years with Postcat. I started working on Postcat when I was in IIM Indore back then. The experience has been very lovely. So it was difficult to manage time with, you need to do office work alongside this. But again, I love doing this. I wish all the very best to other upcoming cohort joining the school. All the very best guys, and keep rocking, keep partying, and hope you all get amazing places. Thank you so much.
नाम को ना चेंज करते हुए we have Ayush Harsh coming in as well. Ayush Harsh also has been absolutely phenomenal in terms of somebody who's taken a lot of sessions. Ayush has been an IIM Lucknow alum himself and amazing in terms of the converts this year. So huge round of applause for the planner this season. We have Dev Datta. Dev Datta has been the most amazing planner. So I have, I think Dev Datta coming in. So amazing work. I think so many years we've done 7 seasons of Postcat prep. She is one of the best planners in terms of planning so many sessions. This year also we've had more than 9 sessions per people in terms of the GDPIs and the HR interviews that we have, and clinically delivered by the Datta. So amazing work this. Let's extend the discussion in terms of people from our team. We have Navtej. You all know Navtej. Navtej has been absolutely phenomenal in converting so many people this year. Amazing number of people for Navtej. Navtej has always सारे लोग convert करे इस साल हमने. So what is your message to everybody?
My message would be कि बस just stay true to yourself, ठीक है? Just present your story well, जैसे तुमने B schools में जाते टाइम करी थी. Just stay true to yourself there. That would be my message to everybody.
Keshav, had been a student at Litmus. He's been a mentor also at Litmus. I think amazing scores. मैं scores भूल जाता हूँ, but सारे के सारे exams जो आप जानते हैं सब में 99 plus है. ठीक है, whether it is NMAT, whether it is SAT, whether it is हमारा SNAP और CAT भी 99.51, and उसके बाद he's part of IFT, he's part of Litmus, and all the sessions जितने भी strategy वाले sessions, statistics वाले sessions हम करते हैं, we do it with Keshav. The kind of control that he has on numbers is absolutely phenomenal. So amazing. सुबह में केशव को PPO मिलेगा. So Keshav, what do you have to say?
So now you guys will be starting your journey for MBA. I would just say, don't worry about placement. Don't worry about anything. The only thing you should focus on enjoying your life there and learning. That's it. The rewards will follow if you do your work thoroughly and अच्छे से सब करोगे तो everything will fall in place.
And if you have mishaps in B school like we have some of the back stories also कुछ बाकी कहानियां हम बाद में बताएंगे. But amazing work guys. And we have Suraj. Suraj has been part of our team also going to LMIS this season. And I think absolutely amazing guy. ठीक है, बहुत ही amazing struggle fight मार के he's been here. So I think absolutely please round of applause. Amazing. And he's been on the inside also. He's been a student. He's been working with us as well. So thank you so much, Suraj, for all that you've done so far, and looking forward to working with you in the future as well. Anything that you would want to say to everybody?
I just want to say that never give up, and always believe in your mentor and choose your mentor wisely. And I'm lucky that I have Sudhanshu sir as my mentor. Thank you.
Thank you, Suraj. So guys, I think by the time we sort of move on to the achievers this season, I believe this season has been a lot of amazing success, and I am really thankful to everybody part of the team. A lot of people who could not have been here, from the IT team we have Rohit and Raj, we have the entire team who are not here. We have Gobind, who's also been an integral part of the team, who is not here. But I really want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart. They've all been absolutely thoroughly amazing, in helping people, training them and placing them in the top B schools. Absolutely thrilled to be here tonight, and I'm sure that we're going to have a lot of amazing fun after this as well. We're going to, so stay tuned with us. We're going to have all our achievers coming. A lot of achievers are here, a lot of achievers are not here. We're going to also sort of celebrate people who are not here as well. But for the people who are here, I think let's start celebrating our achievers as well. Abhishek coming in as well. Abhishek, again, thank you so much, Abhishek. Abhishek has been an absolutely phenomenal in terms of person who has shown immaculate resilience. Somebody who did not succeed in the first attempt, but did not give up. Kept trying. He had NMAT 252 amazing conversions this year, and apart from that, he's also been absolutely phenomenal in terms of helping us out in a lot of important initiatives that we've been trying. Thank you so much, Abhishek, for he's also somebody who's really very, very dear to me. He's like brother from another mother. So thank you so much, Abhishek, for being so amazing. It's absolutely phenomenal to have you with us. Thank you, everybody, and thank you, Abhishek. I think let us have the achievers also come in. Is everybody here? Let me invite Yash. Yash, why don't you come in? नाम आपके दिमाग में आता है अगर आप मैनेजमेंट एंट्रेंस प्रिपेयर करना है, कैट आता है 99.49, एनमैट आता है 284, उसके अलावा आपके दिमाग में स्नैप आता होगा, वो भी 99 है, और जैट आता होगा, वो भी 99.85 है. कोई एग्जाम रह गया है तो बता दो.
जीन्यू नहीं दिया.
So I think absolutely amazing that we have Yash. Thank you so much for being absolutely amazing, and we'll always be very, very closely connected. Wish you all the very best. So you're going to IIM Indore. Anything that you want to say to everybody else?
I think hard work pays off. देर है अंधेर नहीं है, आप लगे रहो. आपका लक जल्दी नहीं तो देर से काम कर ही जाएगा सर ना.
Absolutely. So I think luck is also very dependent upon your hard work.
I think chance मिल जाता है सबको, या तो टाइम से या तो लेट से, बस आपको उस टाइम रेडी रहना होता है. उसके लिए हार्ड वर्क करते रहो बस.
क्या बात है, बहुत बहुत थैंक यू सो मच. Then we have Aviroop joining us as well. Aviroop, so Aviroop again has been part of Litmus. He is somebody who had just one amazing call. I think the kind of pressure that you are in, अगर तेरे पास सिर्फ एक amazing call और तुम वो convert करो. Going to SP Jain this year, we have Aviroop. So I like huge round of applause, Aviroop. And say thank you so much for being so amazing. Great. Going to SP Jain. Navya is confused between a few IIMs. We have Navya joining us. Navya again has been a part of the family. We'll have celebrating Navya's success as well. So I think huge round of applause for Navya. For all the people doing well this year. Navya, I think we want to talk about the amazing journey that we've had together. What stands out for you in terms of the entire journey that has been with us. For me, it has been absolutely phenomenal. What do you believe stands out?
I think working hard, I know there will be days you'll feel that I think I'm not that good enough, or I should work hard, or I'm not working hard enough. But I think you should just keep going. There will be days up and downs. Just keep going. Just swim. Just swim.
Thank you so much, Navya, for being here and being with Mohit coming in. Mohit, again, one thing that we always celebrate is a lot of 99 percentiles. I think we should also celebrate people who are very curious, people who are putting in a lot of efforts, and despite where they come from, they are making their mark. So I think Mohit is one of them. I think huge round of applause for you, Mohit. You are absolutely somebody that the kind of enthusiasm, the kind of curiosity that you brought to our class this year was absolutely phenomenal. Asking questions, asking doubts is something that we always promote, but you've been absolutely phenomenal in terms of asking those questions, queries and doubts, which I believe clarified for so many other achievers as well. Thank you so much, Mohit.
Thank you.
We'd have Rupal coming in as well. Rupal, again, Rupal has been a rebel. I think he's the guy who questions everything. Somebody coming from UPSC background, and he's going to test Mumbai. So I think huge round of applause for you. Rupal, what do you want to say, on this occasion?
Okay, so one One tip that I had got very early in my life from my brother was that life is a sine curve. So you begin it with a 0, you reach 1, then you again become a 0, then you reach -1, then you again start from there. So life is just ups and downs. Just stick to it, just stay in the process, develop yourself, and with mentors like Sudhanshu sir, we all will reach to that zenith that we always crave for.
Thank you so much, Michael. Very, very lovely having you on with the team this year, and very fortunate. I really want to, thank the God Almighty that we also have had the fortune of getting, the right people, the right students that delivered, the right results. So thank you so much to you and to everybody else for actually giving us such amazing people that we could work on and deliver great results. Thank you so much, Rupal. Very, very lovely. We have Ayushman coming in as well. Ayushman is going to MDI Gurgaon this year. Everybody. So again, the day I received a call from Ayushman, regarding the GD5 prep. Ayushman has always been somebody who's been very sharp, and I really look up to him to do some amazing stuff in the future as well. MDI Gurgaon also, you had Micah and some of the other amazing calls as well. How does it feel getting into MDI Gurgaon, and what are you looking forward to?
So I had a pretty good college last year that most people would think that one should go to a Northwestern of the year. But I have been someone that has high aspirations, and all I would say that if you have bigger aspirations, take that leap.
Thank you so much, Ayush, and many congratulations to you. You would be very, very close. Our office is in Gurgaon. You're in Gurgaon. Do visit whenever you want to have, home food. Always welcome. And God bless you. Take care. Absolutely amazing. We'll have next Prince Nagar. Prince, are you there?
Yes.
Somebody, moving from a 66 to a 96 plus is Prince Nagar. I think amazing achievement, Prince. I think if I talk about people who have moved a leap in a year, I think I talk about Prince. Absolutely amazing. Prince, many congratulations to you, and you've obviously been, somebody, who's absolutely amazing, inspiring to a lot of people. Prince, what do you want to say?
एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगा कि हार मत मानो, क्योंकि मैं रिपीटर हूँ, मुझे पता है कैसा लगता है एक साल वापसी घर पे बैठना अगर तुम्हारा वर्क एक्स नहीं है तो बस लगे रहो और सुधांशु सर की सुनते रहो.
Thank you, Prince. Thank you so much. Then we have Sarthak Sharma as well. Sarthak, I think again somebody who's been a very, very diligent guy. ठीक है, सार्थक को आप देखो, ध्यान से देखो इस चेहरे को. आपको सिंसियरिटी अगर नहीं दिख रही है तो आपको भाई नहीं दिखेगी सिंसियरिटी. बस one of the most sincere people this year and getting into amazing calls this year. And I really thank you, Sarthak. I mean, how does it feel, to be getting into the B school and starting your journey into here?
It really feels great, and I'm very thankful to you. I followed your strategy. Honestly, a comprehensive strategy is needed. Not only academic, you have to be good from the psychology point of view also. Your thought process towards life itself should be good enough. So that helps, and that I learned from you, sir. And
thank you so much, sir. I absolutely, happy to have you on the team as well, Sarthak. God bless. Keep working hard and make a great success from here on as well. Do not quit working hard from here on. A lot of people getting into the B school think कि भाई अब sorted है, life बन गया है, अच्छे college चले गए हैं, but keep working hard. I'm pretty sure it will do great in the coming days as well. Thank you so much. From a 53 to a 93 plus, we have Tritagya. So I think Tritagya, it must be amazing. 2 cents on how do you move from a 50 to a 93 plus? For a lot of people who will be watching us, 50 percentile से 93 plus, is it possible?
Yes, it is definitely possible. You just need to keep your calm or find that one motivation. There are steps when you feel like it is easy to give up, but find that one motivation. So सब कुछ हो जाएगा फिर, and just keep your calm.
Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Tritagya. That's absolutely amazing. We have Harsh again. Harsh, are you there? Again, I think one guy who I believe has been very, very amazing in terms of his hard work. I think he's also somebody who's bothered me the most in this season. But I believe also a very good-hearted guy. Somebody putting in the efforts with a lot of honesty. I think a lot of people getting into the IITs also. IITs are coming up. Everybody as great avenues for management. So thank you, Harsh, for all the amazing sessions and how do you feel going forward?
I didn't know I was about to get I'm getting this. I didn't know that. It feels great to get this and from Abhishek Bhaiya. Sorry, my bad. Ayush Bhaiya. I wasn't prepared for this. मतलब I'm happy to.
इससे अवार्ड मिला उसी को रोस्ट कर रहा है कैसा आदमी क्या ये टीम को रोस्ट करके आएगा अपने कॉलेज में
अरे यार I was not ready for this, so I'm sorry about that.
Thank you Ash, thank you very much. Again, guys, MBA is something from people coming in from a lot of diverse backgrounds. We have Tanmay, who's coming in from we had a lot of people coming from dentistry, people coming in from pharma. We had people coming in from arts. It is absolutely phenomenal to have such diversity into the B school. I'm pretty sure that the kind of elements that you add to a B school, people like me, engineers, would never do. And therefore, I must congratulate the B school that you're getting into, Tanmay. How do you feel about it?
Well, actually, it's amazing, and that's what I'll tell you, that you have to keep at it. Even if you get poor scores in mocks, you just have to keep at it, and that's why you need mentors who keep pushing you towards your best, and that's what MBA Litmus does. It just tells you to just propel towards your best, and that's what you want in life. You have mentors so that you can just be at your best. So that's what you want to do in your life.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Tanmay. It was absolutely phenomenal. Everybody, huge round of applause. And last but not the least, we have Abhishek coming in as well. Abhishek, and we have Suraj also.
Yes.
Yes. So I would say that again. But thank you so much, Abhishek, for amazing that you've showed. The first time I met Abhishek, I'll be very honest with you. I felt that this guy had a lot of work to do, a lot of work, hard work to do, and he really delivered on the promise. He told me कि मैं fight मारूंगा, मेहनत करूंगा, and did that. So I think बहुत ही कम लोग हैं who stand true to your promises. So thank you so much, Abhishek. You are truly amazing, and we all love you for that. God bless. Take care and bye. Thank you. We have Suraj coming in as well. Suraj again has been an integral part of the family going to NMIMS this year. Let me celebrate Suraj's success as well. Anybody having any thoughts, any ideas, anything you want to say at this point in time? Let me have Devdatta also come in and talk about her experience as a planner this year. How was it? How difficult? Easy? How did you manage Devdatta, so many people? How did you plan so many sessions? Was absolutely phenomenal. Must thank you and have a couple of words from you as well.
Sure. So planning it was awesome actually. I connected with so many people. It was kind of difficult because I had to talk to a lot of people to get slots from them, and also it was difficult because people used to book slots like anything. Like it is just free in the market. Like people are getting slots and some people are not. The people who are not getting slots, they are like coming on my head, and the people who are getting slots, they are also coming on my head. So it was kind of difficult, but I had a phenomenal experience about that.
Well, beautiful work there. Thank you so much for being so amazing. Let me have somebody who has also been, your VRC faculty training a lot of people this year, and also let us hear a couple of words from a CAT 99.55 VRC and training so many people. There are people like me who like to take credit, and then there are people like Sonal who do not like to take credit for the kind of work that they've been doing. But how do you what has this year been in terms of your expectations?
So it has been phenomenal once again. I think year on year, I get to interact with such amazing students, such amazing people. So it is really humbling. At the same time, the feedbacks that I receive. For example, today Harsh came and he talked about his experience, how it changed the VRC preparation, the overall strategy. And trust me, I can't be more proud. So I'm really proud of all of you, and thank you so much for joining us today. It has been a great experience with all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Everybody, I believe while we will continue this party forward, but what we're going to do after this is not something that we can really share with everybody else. and therefore, I must say an amazing good night to everybody. People who are wanting to prepare, people who want to prepare with a lot of honesty, people who want people on their back chasing them, and helping them, can absolutely come in and join MBA Litmus. We are absolutely happy to have a limited number of people every year, but people who are motivated to create an impact and do amazing in terms of the kind of results. Thank you so much. We'll see a lot of you next year is here right now, with me, and we are going to have your celebrations as well in the next year. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless. Signing off for today. God bless. Take care.